Listen to that. That isn't the high-pitched scream of the Z06, and it's definitely not the familiar hum of the Stingray. That is the sound of pure American fury. Ladies and gentlemen, the rumors were true. Chevrolet has just officially pulled the silk off the 2027 Corvette Grand Sport, and it is an absolute game-changer. For decades, the Grand Sport has been the Goldilocks of the Corvette lineup, blending the wide-body aggression of the top-tier models with a more streetable powertrain. But for 2027, Chevy didn't just raid the parts bin. They built a brand new heart for this beast. We are talking about a 6.7-liter naturally aspirated V8. Is this the ultimate C8? Let's find out. Let's start with the headline, the engine. Forget the 6.2-liter LT2. Say hello to the LS6. Yes, Chevy brought back the legendary moniker from the C5Z06, but this time it's bigger and badder than ever. This is a 6.7-liter, or 409 cubic inches small block masterpiece. To get that displacement, GM engineers took the LT2 and stroked it out to 100, but they didn't stop there. This engine features a mind-melting 13:0:1 compression ratio, the highest ever for a production Corvette V8. The result: 535 horsepower and 520 lb-ft of torque. That makes it the torquiest naturally aspirated V8 Chevrolet has ever produced for a road car. Assistant Chief Engineer Mike Kasiba called it jackhammer fury through the tailpipes, and looking at the specs, he isn't exaggerating. It uses a 95 throttle body, forged pistons, and a dual injection system that swaps between port and direct injection, depending on how hard you're burying your right foot. And here's a kicker for you Stingray fans. This 6.7L LS6 isn't just for the Grand Sport. It will become the primary engine for the entire 2027 Corvette lineup, effectively retiring the 6.2L LT2. Now, there's a bit of a twist in the 2027 lineup. The Grand Sport is actually launching in two distinct flavors. First, you have the standard Grand Sport. This is for the purists. It's rear-wheel drive, naturally aspirated, and features that iconic widebody stance we love from the Z06. But then there's the Grand Sport X. This is the car that officially replaces the Corvette E-Ray. Why the name change? Well, apparently, customers kept thinking the E-Ray was a full EV. Chevy decided to fix that branding with the X, which stands for electrified all-wheel drive. The GSX takes that 535 HP LS6 engine and pairs it with the front-axle electric motor from the Monster ZR1X. The result is a combined output of 721 horsepower. That is more than the Z06. It features an endurance mode for track lapping and a push-to-pass boost for when you really want to humiliate someone on the straightaway. If you want the fastest accelerating Corvette for the money, the GSX is the one. A Grand Sport wouldn't be a Grand Sport without world-class handling. Standard equipment includes magnetic ride control 4, which has been retuned specifically for the C8's mid-engine weight distribution. But if you want to get serious, Chevy is offering two Z52 packages. The Z52 Sport Performance Package gives you the J56 iron brakes from the Z06 and Michelin Pilot Sport 4S Summer Rubber. If you're a track rat, you want the Z52 Track Performance Package. This adds J57 carbon ceramic brakes, ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, and a full carbon fiber aero suite, including that massive Z06 style high wing and underbody strakes. Chevy claims the Z52 Track Spec Grand Sport is the most track-capable version of the badge they've ever built. And for the first time on a pushrod C8, you can finally get those quad center exit exhausts, just like the Z06. Visually, the 2027 Grand Sport is a stunner. It uses the Z06's wide-body panels, which means it's wider, lower, and much more aggressive than a Stingray. But look at the details. Chevy is leaning hard into heritage here. Admiral Blue Metallic is back, the color that defined the C4 Grand Sport, complete with the white center stripe. And notice the hash marks. Traditionally, they've always been on the front fenders. For 2027, they've moved to the rear fenders. It's a subtle nod to the fact that the heart of the car, the engine, now sits behind the driver. Inside, they've introduced a Santorini blue-dipped launch edition interior. It is blue, like everywhere. Blue seats, blue dash, blue door cards, all accented with red stitching. It's bold, it's loud, and it fits the Corvette's personality perfectly. You also get a refreshed tech suite with a faster processor for the 12.7-inch infotainment screen and Google built in as standard. So, where does the 2027 Grand Sport sit? In a world of twin-turbo monsters and 1,000-horsepower hybrids, the Grand Sport feels like a return to form. It's the Corvette for the driver who wants that big displacement, naturally aspirated V8 soul, but with the look-at-me presence of a supercar. While we don't have official pricing yet, expect the RWD Grand Sport to start just under $95,000, with the hybrid GSX likely crossing the $115,000 mark. It's powerful, it's heritage-rich, and that 6.7-liter engine is a love letter to the American V8. Production kicks off this summer in Bowling Green, and honestly, we can't wait to get it on the track. What do you think? Is the 6.7L LS6 the engine the C8 always deserved, or are you holding out for the Zora? Let me know in the comments below.